want to thank you all for joining Mygazines webinar. Today our topic is how to customize your digital edition and increase your brand awareness. My name is Nathan Virtue, and hopefully you all can see my screen now. I'll be showing you some slides as well as going over some tutorials on how to use the Mygazine system. As I said, my name is Nathan Virtue. I'm joined by my colleague Jose Sanchez, and Mygazine's Chief Marketing Officer Randy Frisch will have a few words as well. So let's all start the webinar. You've been waiting long enough. Today's content is we're going to cover what is a branded digital edition. Why brand your digital edition? What can you benefit from? We're going to talk about Mygazine system and banner colors and button colors. We're going to talk about getting your logo in the banner, background images and colors, how you can get a custom branded website address, and other tools and features if we have time. And please feel free to type in a question, any questions you have in the questions box in the webinar software. And please note that we'll be recording this webinar, and it will be available later on in our help desk for your viewing to go over and to take a look at what we've gone over today. And I'll pass it over to Randy Frisch.
Thank you all for joining us. I think this is one of the best webinars to really join us for, because it really captures the essence of what Mygazines is about. And that's about creating a brand that works for you and your publications. Just as you would want any other part of your marketing communications plan to be a part of your actual brand, so is the case in terms of what we deliver in our features. Take as an example, if you were to set up a website and you bought your website from a company such as GoDaddy, you would never have your website say www.godaddy.com/your company. In the case of that extension of your brand, you would want it to work within the other elements. And that's what we're able to do for you, whether it's in the URL that's identified with your publication, or within all of the branding and logos that you see on your iPad, your web-based Firefox, or Internet Explorer. In all cases, there are no references to the Mygazines brand. This product is all about your brand and allowing you to communicate with your clients. What this does, as you can see on the slide in front of you, it allows you to align your digital editions with the rest of your marketing efforts. So as I said, that includes your logo, your colors, and other identity elements. Both Nathan and Jose are going to do a great job today at taking you through how easy it is to create this. Whether you're a client with us today, you'll learn how to further enhance and make your publication more interactive, or whether you're a new customer looking to join us, you'll see how this is the perfect solution. Won't take any more of your time. I'm going to pass it back over to Nathan and Jose to take it from here. Thank you all for joining us.
Okay, thanks, Randy. Let's move ahead. Here are some examples of some publications using the Mygazine system. We're trying to take advantage of some of the branding options that you've got. The first example here is a knowledge management publication for ILTA. You can see they've got their colors matching, and they've used their logo, and their logo is linking to their site. Really going for a consistent look. Take a look at another example, Lavender Magazine again. They're using Mygazine's features to get their logo up in the banner. They've got a lot of advertising. They've got their Facebook element over here in the widget area with advertisements, really solidifying their brand name and connecting with the user. Back to the slide, and here's an example. The space-themed fictional publication that we've got. As you can see, clearly they've gone a long way to brand the entire experience and feel while looking at this digital edition. Now let's move back to the slides.
Yes, this is Jose speaking now. And well, the first element that we want to talk about, the first branding element that Mygazines offers and we want to show you is the banner and the button colors in the banner. The color for both elements, the banner and the buttons. And it is an element that really affects the look of your publication. You can see up here in the images. In these two images, we have examples of banners from two of our digital editions, and both have customized the color for the banner. It's good to know that this color will also be displayed on the mobile interface. So if you open your publication on an iPad or an iPhone or on Android devices, the button color will also be there. So I'm going to let my friend, my colleague Nathan, explain you how to do this, how to customize the colors for the banner and the buttons.
Okay, this slide you're seeing now has some steps on how to change the banner button colors, but I'm going to show you firsthand how to use the Mygazines system to go about doing this. I'm going to navigate over to the Mygazines system. First of all, I'm going to choose my title. In this case, I'm going to go before enhancement. In this case, we're going to use fictional publication Abby Mag. So this is what we've got to start with. As you can see, we've got this green color up top. We want to have it match the Abby Mag logo and color. So we're going to do this by editing this title. I'm going to scroll down in the Appearance Options tab. And here we see the flipbook banner color. Now you can either choose your color by using the palette here, scroll around, find the color you want and desire that will match your brand and company logo, or you can use the hexadecimal color code here. Now I've got one ready right now. I'm going to just type in there's right there. An orange, update the title, and now let's do a refresh. You can find it. Do a refresh, and now you can see the orange color is better matching the logo of and look and feel of the Abby Mag logo. Now let's go back to the slide. As you can see, just a quick screenshot of the look of the logo, of the banner, and now we're going to talk about the logo.
Yes, as you might already know, a logo is a graphic mark or emblem commonly used to promote instant public recognition. So if you place a logo in your publication, your reader will automatically know who is publishing that content, who is managing that content. Your logo, in the case of our digital editions, can be placed on the left side of your publication's top back navigation banner. That is one of the main spots. But it can also be placed as part of the background image, a feature that we have that we will explain to you later on. And it can also be placed on the widget area. So I'm going to let my colleague Nathan explain you how to place a logo on the top banner.
Okay, thanks, Jose. Once again, there's some quick steps, but I'm going to take you to the Mygazines system and show you how to do this. Okay, it's probably going to ask me to log in again because I cleared the cache, but bear with me, please. Okay, I'm going to find my title.